Mr. Ness from World Famous Foods. Today we're doing a vegan chili recipe with tofu. Check us out. So here's our tofu. We're going to add some nutritional yeast. Just a little bit, not too much. Gonna crumble it up. A little bit more. Then we're going to add some olive oil. Gotta make it really nice and wet in there. Some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some soy sauce. Gonna mix this all up. Make sure you get everything nice and moist, everything all good together in there. Now we're gonna put this on a baking sheet, spread it all out so everything is nice and even. And then we're going to bake this for about 20 minutes. So we're going to add some peanut oil to the pan. Add our onions and garlic. Going to saute this down. Oh yeah. Bell peppers. The smell is starting to come already. This is going to be good. Now we're going to add our tomatoes. Wow. Add our chickpeas. And our kidney beans. Now we're going to add some smoked paprika. Oh yeah. And some cumin. A little bit more onion powder. Some garlic powder. Now we're going to add some water. Some better than bouillon. Get that in there. Then I'm going to cover this, let it cook. So our tofu should be finished now. Let's check. Oh yeah, I think that's done. Let's take this out. All right. Now we're going to add some tomato paste to this. Gives it that distinct flavor, even though we already have tomatoes. And we add some corn also. Oh yeah. Now we're going to add some black pepper. Get this going. Smelling good. Add our tofu. Oh yeah. This is the starter show right here. Mix this up. Wow. Smells and looks amazing. Oh yeah, this should be finished. It's done. It's good. Another product. Our world famous foods vegan chili. Check it out. Turn it off. Okay, let's try some of this. Wow. Kind of hot, kind of hot. Oh, it's good. I gotta try this. Subscribe.